So when you're building this framework for the base, make sure it's upside down, as you can see by the angle. Build the edges first of all, then put cross beams in with the nuts poking through from underneath. Then put each leg on each corner. If, like mine, it's got the wheels, you need to make sure you put your round bars through the side of this angle line, so obviously the wheels are that way. Then if you actually see, it's down. So that one. Obviously some of these frameworks don't have the wheels on them, this one does. So the actual frame itself, the round bars, may not be on yours, but this is how it all goes together. Make sure you build this part first with your edges, so that this bit here is poking down, because when you turn it up, when you turn it back onto its wheels or its legs, where some have just stumps and a cap like so, you put onto it. So that is the basic frame. Make sure you build it upside down. It'll save you a lot of time. Now when you go to build these trays together, you'll notice that they have holes. You have to cable tie these together like they have been here. One thing I will suggest though is these here, make sure that these holes are all clear from plastic. Same with all these and the little legs. Once you're done, you literally put it in like so. And the trays themselves also have a little drain hole, obviously to stop the water filling right way up. I would suggest putting these drain holes in the actual back, so they're not dripping onto you or onto something at the front, i.e. plants. Now the actual frame itself just clips together. And some of these have already been put in because I bought this second hand, so I need to possibly move some of these clips. But the frame itself, like I say, just clips in, and these little clips here, you push them in to actually release them. This bit's here, this full lot is normally together, and you've got your caps at the end. So the four sides possibly built up for you in some of the kits. This is a medium. You also get a small one and a large one.
All I'm doing here now is filling the base with perlite. As you can see on the left hand side, little square holes and round holes. All you need to really do is make sure they're covered and filled with the actual perlite.
As you can see now, I'm just adding a layer of multi-purpose compost. I'm just breaking up the big bits, just to make sure there's no big clump bits. I'm going to do this for both cells, and then I'm going to add another layer of perlite. Now all you need to do now is add your perlite and then just mix it in. So you're going to be doing a blend of compost, perlite mixed together, compost, perlite mixed together. until you actually fill to the top of the actual ledges. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this has been informative. Maybe you can go back and have a look how to actually build a frame, or maybe just to see how you fill your new or second hand Vegepod by buying that.
And there it is guys, all done with its cover.